Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another exciting design tutorial with UXmate. Today we are going to learn how to create a cool scroll interaction in Figma, and we'll be using gestures for that, so user can scroll the content using the swipe gestures, and we'll be also creating an interactive scroll bar so user can scroll the content whether using the gestures or using the scroll bar. Okay, so let's jump into the video and get started with it. Well, before that, make sure you already subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon next to it, because if you're not doing that, then you're going to miss a lot of exciting design content with our future videos. So yes, without any further delay, let's jump into the Figma. As always, we have very simple auto layout frame where we have a frame and probably a circle and a text in it. Okay, so we are going to create a cool scroll interaction. Yes, and let me just quickly create a frame probably for a phone. Okay, maybe let's use which iPhone 14 Pro or Pro Max. Let's go with the Pro Max. Okay, now we have iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yes, now let's create the header part because we need to fix the header and then fix the footer and then scroll the content within it. I'll not create the very much details of it. I'll just have it very rough and good to go ahead kind of thing. Okay, so let's say this is my header. Okay, and now I have this content. Probably I'll have some other color to it. Just detach this and maybe something lighter. Okay, that doesn't matter, and let's have some more width to it. Minimum width of, let's say, 400 pixels. Okay, and now let's just align it to the center. What else we need? We need a footer. Let's just duplicate this. I don't know, sometimes my new keyboard is not working as expected. By the way, I have got this Zebronics keyboard, a wireless keyboard which has very nice, slim and minimal design. I'll put the link in the description. That is a cool keyboard which easily pairs with 3 devices at a time, and it works fantastic with the Mac. So that's why I have went ahead with it. First, I was planning to get the Magic keyboard, but then I thought let's first try it with the cheaper version of it, and if it doesn't works good, then probably I'll go ahead with the Magic keyboard. But yeah, it worked well, and it is working well. So I've been using it for last 3 to 4 months, and it is serving the purpose. So yes, let's quickly just move it on a little left, and let's create a duplicate of it. Okay, and then create an auto layout. Okay, and now I'll just keep on duplicating it for a couple of times. I guess this is a larger screen. Let's just move it a bit smaller and create an auto layout in that as well, just to make sure our content is quickly aligned. And let's have a padding of 10 pixels probably. Okay, I'll remove the auto layout. I don't want that. You can keep it, that doesn't matter. I don't want it, that's why I have removed it. And I'll first create a clip content to this frame. Okay, and now I'll keep on duplicating it. So I have let's say somewhere around 30 or 40 items which I'm going to scroll. I'll just move it slightly on the left hand side. Okay, and let's create a scroll bar. To create a scroll bar, there's going to be a simple rectangle, and just with the rounded and probably with 10 pixel is fine. Probably you can go ahead with 12 as well, just to make sure users are able to tap on it. Okay, and now let's change the color to maybe something like the darker one which we are using for the header. Definitely design can be of your choice. Okay, so now our basic structure is ready. We have simple header, we have simple footer, and then we have the actual content where we want to scroll, and then we have a scroll bar. Okay, now let's create a duplicate of this, and I'll just move it at the bottom of this screen, and then I'll change the alignment of this auto layout, and I'll just have it something kind of bottom aligned auto layout. Definitely, to make sure the height is working as expected, the scroll is working as expected, we need to have the fixed height containers. Okay, now let's create the interaction starting point, and now let's create a on drag interaction. Okay, on drag from first frame to second frame with the content, and I will do it for both of the frames, and let's do the same with the scroll bar as well. On drag, and again that is going to be on drag. Okay, so let's test this interaction. Now I can scroll and using the gesture, and I can oops, I guess we had created on drag for the second frame. Let's do it quickly. Yes, now you can see I can just drag it, and I can scroll it however you want. If you want something in the middle of this, probably you can create one more variant here, and one more frame here, and just create another interaction in between. With that, you can create the school scrolling interaction, as well as use the actual scroll bar as well. So your scroll bar is also animating with the content. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon next to it, because if you're not doing that, you're going to miss a lot of exciting design content. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, because that will give us motivation to create this amazing content for you. Also, if you have any doubts, don't hesitate to write them in the comments. We'll try our best to solve them whenever possible. Also, please check out our all other videos on the UX design, on the Blender. We have recently started a series on the Blender and 3D modeling or 3D animation kind of stuff. So yep, lots of cool stuff around here. So stay tuned, keep learning, keep designing, keep watching.